I just went ham with Jimmy Butler. Okay, so let's see, that's 3 points in the first quarter, or second quarter, my bad. Notice how I beat Miami only with 3-pointers. Wow, the Bulls supposedly are a bad 3-point team. Okay. Okay, so first three in the second quarter. 3 points, 3 points, 3-pointer, 3-pointer, and then get this, 3 straight threes with Jimmy Butler in the third. 4 threes in the third, and then my goodness, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 3-point shots made in the fourth quarter with Jimmy Buckets. That's what I'm talking about. For a total of 42 points and 2 rebounds. Whoop Miami. That's what's up.